actually valid! Bro, oh my god. That is actually valid, bro. Dude, it even gave him a fat ass, too. Bro, W Mama case, man. W Mom. Chad, that's actually pretty cool. Bro, it's like a little plushie. Chad, should I keep this in my bed, to be honest? I'm gonna keep that. Bro, that's actually so sick. Too Jinxie from Ryan. Oh my god, a Titleist Pro V1. Where's the Pro? Hold on. Pro V? What ball you hitting today, Scott? Titleist Pro V1. Chat, this is like a $4 ball, by the way. With today's economy, maybe $5. Whoopee cushion?